Pellet traders, sorry, I just missed this another live trade I jumped in on. And with this particular one, you can see here it wasn't until here as it come down and it filled me on. This is what I wanted to explain. When you're doing your back testing and your work on your trades, it come down and ticked out, and I was filled here on 5 contracts, went to break even plus a couple of ticks, and then finally I was filled on those other 5 contracts. So that's what I just wanted to explain to you, is that in back testing, live trading is very different than back testing. You can see here we come down, we bounced off it, was filled on a few, and it wasn't until there I was filled on all of them. Now I entered this one here on a T25. Now this was a higher risk one because we were getting some angulation. I tucked my stop 1 tick above here of this swing high, so it was more of an advanced technique, but very confident with this strong downtrend. If you actually can draw in a very nice channel on this one, and let me just show you how to do this. Parallel on, let me just, sorry, I'm just going to quickly show you. This is a nice little thing you can do just to be kept, just to really track, and look at that there perfectly. Now after a while, visually you just get to learn these without even seeing them. So I just went from there to there down to here. Of course, visually I could see that we were forming a channel, and look at this here, touched it there, come down, touched it there, bounced up, bounced on this one, then come down, we've touched, gone through a little bit, okay, and we now bounce. Now we may come up and bounce down, but let me just show you what I did, that how I did that again, because I already know members are going to ask me about that. If you're trading 1 or 2 strategies, you have a lot of time on your hands at times, so trend lines are really great to be drawing in. So if you go simply draw in, and at that stage there you could really only draw these points in. So what you do, you extend it right like that there, and look at this here, it's come down. But what you, even before then, you would have done this. Whoops, sorry trader, let me just get rid of that one, remove, let me just do this one again. I mucked that up. Okay, come down here. Okay, you've got that there, only there at that time. You've got these 3 points. You come down, and then look at this here, you come down and bounce, you come up and bounce off it again, and bang. And you see this happen time and time again. Now it'd be really nice to see it punch through this little channel. You may get some resistance here, but channels are fantastic to trade when you come up, and just a little technique, you come up and touch it. Whatever reasons, I put my stop up here, and now see what's happening here. Now we're now hitting a pivot. Now you may remember on video 1, what did I mention up here on video 1? We quite often will travel from pivot to pivot, which is what's happened right here. Now why didn't I stay in all that way? I'm a scalper, and with the ES and all markets actually, you'll see it'll trade in waves. So it'll go up, it'll go down, go up and down. So that there, that was another that was 750 on 10 contracts. It was $750 less commission. So for 100, save a 50 there. So look, it's I don't know, what am I up, 2300. It shows on my dome 6019, but for some earlier trading this morning. But it's, you know, it's a really nice start or a nice ending to the day, because it's Thursday evening here. But look at this here. See how we've bounced now on the bottom channel, but we've also bounced on the pivot. Look at here at our platinum. Okay, so quite possibly we could bounce here and go up to the channel. Who knows? Who knows? But then if we look for my students, sorry, my members, I shouldn't call you students. If we look at here, you've had 134, 234, really 3. You've had, and that they're really 89s, aren't they? So I'd be sitting this out right now. So I'll see if we snap off any other trades, but otherwise this will be winning trade number 5 in a row. Even though that was really only got me 1 tick, it's still a winner. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all trading with the trend. And I had some beautiful entries up here I didn't even take. Had a perfect one there, another one there, and another one there. And of course you've still got one here, but under our 34B rules, you'd be setting that out. But also there's your pivot support. So traders, just before I wrap up this third video, I've just been informed by my darling wife we're going out for dinner, so I've got to wrap this up and I'll stop trading for the night in a moment. Understanding the risk course, please have a read of this if you haven't read it already. This is video 3 of 2 other quick videos I took of some live trading. Just before we quickly go to the live charts, all of this of course is covered comprehensively, all of these setups in my course. Now for my members, you can see here you've had entries there, here, here, you had here, of course you've got entries here, and you've got your 89 there. Here I got out at 750 less commissions. Why did I go for a wider stop? Because of the channel. And once again, visually you'll get very good at picking those. Now if I had have gone just for a 6, my standard 6 tick stop, traders, I would have been stopped on that trade. I would have been stopped, but just trading experience, I tucked it up here, which kept me in it, which is very nice. So if you had just been taking every one of our trades, you've had 1 2 3 4 5, that's 4 winners, 1 loss. Sorry, yeah, that's right, there's 6 winners, 1 loss, plus the ones I had back here. So a very nice quick number of trades for the evening. Once again, all of this is covered in the Day Traders Fast Track program. If you're not already a member, come and join us. Thanks, traders.